Hi, if you want to change complications on your Google Pixel Watch Free, then let's press and hold current watch face and find different one in which we can find complications. So let's just go for the list and use this one. So to change those complications like small widgets, I need to tap an icon for editing, swipe left, and now those complications are in this line, so we can tap one and switch from steps to something else, for example, I don't know, alarm. And now this new icon appears on the top. We can do the same with each from the list. For example, let's change this one. For that, I'm gonna tap it. And here choose calories. And this is how it looks now. And to save changes, it is enough to simply tap this crown like that. And that's all. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.